Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. So my best friend's boyfriend hit me up and asked if I could make the words marry me to help with his surprise proposal. And for my best friend, you already know I'm gonna come through. I'll have everything you need listed in the description box below. And if you like this video, you learned something new, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Begin the project, the first thing I did was go to Elle's Paper Boutique on Etsy.com, and this is where I got my template. She has tons of templates to choose from, like you can literally make almost anything. So to prevent myself from scrolling forever, because she has a lot, I'm just going to go ahead and type in marry me. And this is the template I used. And I just purchased it, downloaded it, and printed. And when I printed, I did do the 2-foot option. Okay, so you just go ahead and grab that, and we'll continue. So once we have everything printed out, we're just going to go ahead and assemble our letters together. I just put mine together and I tape it, and then I'll just go ahead and cut it out with some scissors, lay it on my foam board, and just cut out the letters on the foam. Now for this project, I'm using 20 by 30 inch foam boards. And since my letters are only 20 feet, I was able to do each letter just using one foam board. But the bigger your letters, the more foam you will need, okay? And one thing I do love about Elle's templates is that it's in numerical order, right? So when I'm laying out my letters, I just go by the numbers that she has printed on the corner of the paper, and I don't have to sit there and guess and, you know, try and piece everything together like a puzzle. Nope, nice and simple, okay? And I love easy. Listen, this project was tedious enough without me having to guess how to put these letters together. So, once you have everything together, you tape it and you just go ahead and cut it out on the foam board. Another thing that will make this project super helpful is a hot knife, okay? I've been doing this project, well, I've done this project like twice already, and none of y'all told me to get a hot knife. So y'all just sat here and watched me use an X-Acto knife to cut these letters out, and nobody was gonna be like, girl, get you a hot knife, upgrade your life, you know, make things a little more easy. Nobody was gonna tell me. So since nobody told me, I'm telling you, okay? If this is your first time doing this project, or if you plan on doing this project, you know, again in the future, get you a hot knife, sis, okay? Get you a hot knife. It just makes the project so much easier. It cuts through the foam like butter, and not only does it like cut really well, it gives you like a nice crisp edge. And when you're doing your border, having that nice crisp edge really plays an important part, right? Because if your edge is messed up, your border is going to be a little bit janky, and we don't have time for that. So after I finish piecing and cutting out all my letters, I'm just going to take another one of my 20 by 30 foam boards and I just like to score the whole board, okay? I make it into like 1-inch squares all over the board, and it looks like this when I'm done. And this just helps me keep everything uniform, right? Because I like my border to be 3 inches thick. So I know that every 3 squares is 3 inches. So every 3 squares, I just go ahead and cut it out. And so I keep my border nice and uniform all the way around. And I like to score it because when it's time to bend around the letters, like I'm doing on this M right here, since it's already scored, it just bends easily, right? And so this helps the project go by faster as well, because you don't have to stop, measure, cut, score, and all the other stuff, right? If you just do that once, you can just go and go and go. And another gem, okay? Listen, I'm giving y'all all the tea in this video, okay? I want y'all to have an easier time than I did. Get you a hot gun glue rope, okay? That thing, because we have a lot to glue, and don't nobody have time to be changing glue sticks every 5 seconds. Get you a hot gun glue rope. It's just a continuous long glue stick, and I was able to do like so many letters just off of one rope. So like that was super convenient. So quick recap: get you a hot knife, get you a hot gun glue rope, and score your boards, right? Just to make the project go a little bit smoother and give you an easier time, because as you can see by the several outfit changes, this project took a while. Like it really did take me several days, but not only was I doing this, I was doing mom stuff, wife stuff, business stuff, crafting stuff. So, you know, I just had a lot going on. So But and at the end of the day, the project did turn out to be totally worth it. I'm not sure when's the next time I'll be doing it again, but in the end, it's always worth it, right? So for this project, I really wanted 5 and 9 inch balloons, but I had a hard time finding them in stores. They were on Amazon, but they wouldn't have made it in time. So I just grabbed what I could from the store and just ended up using 12-inch balloons. So since I couldn't find the sizes that I really wanted to give it the look that I was going for, I decided to go ahead and spray paint the letters just to make the balloons, just to make it like blend in with the balloons, that'll be able to cover like any spots that weren't filled, or just to make it a little bit better. So I just laid them out outside and I painted them red, but I left 2 letters blank because he wanted those pink to represent the first letter of their names, which are M and Y. So I did all the other letters red, but I just left one M and a Y pink. And then I'll just go ahead and use my hand pump to blow these balloons. I do have a balloon blower, but the baby is terrified of it. So I just go ahead and just did what I had to do and just use my hand pump so I wouldn't have to hear him crying while I was trying to work. So I'm not blowing the balloons up to the whole 12 inches because, since my letters are only 2 feet tall, that is way too big. So I'm just, trying to blow them up in different sizes to, just make it fit in the letters, honestly. And I just use my low temp glue gun to glue them together and stick it to inside of the letters. And the blowing up the balloons and gluing it together is really, honestly, the easiest part for me. I don't know if that's because I used to work at Party City for like 3 years. So I'm like an excellent balloon blower and tire. So like blowing balloons and tying them, I can do like 110 minutes. Literally. I know. Like seriously, because I've done it before. So yeah, so I just go ahead and blow the balloons, tie them up, and just go ahead and stick them in the letters. And this is what it looked like, you guys. And then I had to load them up into the car and head to the proposal.
Before I ask you another question, I want you to take this walk with me. I want you to know where you will rank forever in my life.
Of course, my girl said yes, so it's a fiance. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you later.